This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Emily DiMaio. Gorgeous, 2 years old, split floor plan, beautiful finishes and ready for you. This like new build features 3 bedrooms, as well as a designated office space that could also be used as a playroom or nursery. The kitchen features clean, luxury finishes, and a huge walk-in pantry. The massive primary room has a beautiful, serene ensuite bathroom with split vanities, a walk-in closet and a large jetted soaking tub. Enjoy the large, fenced backyard on the oversized fan-cooled patio. This beautiful home is located in one of the most highly desired neighborhoods in Vernon Parish, 5 miles from Fort Johnson's Gate 7. Schedule an appointment today to come see your new home. For more information, review the